You weren't even gonna do it. You were trying to talk me out of it. We could just sauna. That's what he said.
I'm about to go level up, I cannot settle for nothing, I never been regular, always knew I could do better, I finally made it this far and I'm not looking back, dated to see all the time that I put in, now me and the money are way too attached, still reppin' 919, the city is mine and I put it all on the map, coming for what I deserve, I put in the work, now I'm about to level up, been on my grind since 2013, now the way that I live, I feel like a king, 24 hours, I'm locked in, I'm feeling like Kobe, getting these rings, do what I want when I want it.
Alright, how are the legs now? Update?
Way better.
After about 30 minutes. It's a different game in there. It's good, man. I mean, most people, they don't do this part. This every, maybe twice a week, doing this is a game changer,
It's key. I even talked my dad into doing the sauna because if you don't get used to sweating, you don't get used to, all the bad stuff coming out of your body and heat up. They're like, I don't want to sweat. And you're like, what? Like, you should be sweating at least a half an hour every day. Because there's toxins in your body and our food and our environment. And it's one way to get it out, it's just through heat.
So here's what I figured, okay? Take a shower. Make the dress. Let's get the hell out of here. Yeah, you're supposed to. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's go to Protein House and eat.
Yeah, somebody on your team knows where all those stickers are.
Oh yeah, no, they're there for sure. I was gonna say that that's amazing, bro. No, we'll definitely use the hell out of it.
So I'm working with the Elliott group to build my coaching business, where I coach other people in the same niche. So real small
life.
business owners, real small. The person that owns that company is trying to lead their team, but they're not influential. And I know from experience, they don't have leadership skills.
So you don't just tactically teach how to build your business. You teach
How to become a
build
leader.
yourself, which in return, the business plan will work.
The number one challenge in a small business is to get people to follow along and to follow the process and procedures, and to not only that, but stay with you. When you're on the freeway and you come up behind someone in the fast lane, what do?
Slow down.
You slow down and then what?
Go around.
Exactly. And most leaders, but if that guy speeds up in the fast lane, you stay behind him.
Yeah.
So as leaders, the people in our companies get behind us, and we have to speed up, meaning become more. You have to always be speeding up as a small leader so that your team will stay behind you. Because if that guy speeds up in the fast lane, you're like, oh, I'll stay behind you. I don't need to try to pass you. But most leaders get complacent, so their team go around them, and they just go and open up their own company. If you don't have that person on your team, I go, no, duh, you can't afford him today because he doesn't work here yet. Once he starts working here, then he's gonna pay for himself. Now the challenge becomes, can you attract that type of person to your small company? All small business owners under 25 employees, your small service companies.
That is so good. Small business owners under 25 employees.
Yep.
I am your guy.
Yep.
That's it.
Yep.
That's where we can have a conversation about anything in your company.
Yep.
And I can show you where the buckets of cash are, how to scale and grow this thing. I love it, man. It's so good.
I would be offended if you said you're normal, just like everyone else.
Yes. But if you told me I was normal, I would beat your ass because you're disrespectful. I can't believe you said that. You're normal, man. People are like, thanks, bro. Yeah, I'm not weird. I know you're not. That's exactly why you're.
I'll be honest. The far and few times, the far and few arguments that Michaela and I have, she'll often say, you know what, most people, and I go, stop. We're not most people. So when you say that, you're making my point. You're totally right. Most guys don't X, Y, Z. Right. Like most couples don't do this. Most couples don't do half of what we do.
How long ago did you guys meet?
6 months.
Okay.
He's also a DJ. Like not actually, but some of the stuff he does, he makes his own music for our videos. You know, he puts like good music to stuff.
Whose voice is up?
My friend's voice.
So there are artists that you know, and you'll piece them together.
He sometimes uses his own voice.
Yeah.
He can make it sound like a sexy woman.
That's my friend.
But I was like, who's that sexy woman voice? He's like, that's my voice, but I just use AI.
It's AI. It's not.
Do you hear that?
That's the sound of 572-degree heat resistance.
So don't worry about it.
What about water?
But no, but you said something into a microphone, use AI to move it around, and it literally sounded like this hot chick. But even still, being able to choose a good song for video is a skill in itself.
The music is everything. I tell people all the time, when a church goes and asks people to give their life to God, they always turn the music on. A video, there's B-roll, and then there's even when someone's talking, choosing the right music behind him to drive the message.
It's like in a movie. They can make it sound scary with just the music. I could be myself, obviously, but even my ideas, obviously the execution, but even the ideas.
His goal would be to learn you, and then learn how to make you look like $1 billion company, but then also have content that could bring a grown man to his knees and cry, but then also could make someone be inspired to want to do more. It's like you're always mixing the message so that you could be the jack of all trades. If you didn't work for him right now doing this, what would you do? And if he says, I would be doing this.
Yeah.
He's your guy.
Music, like music videos, filming music videos.
Yeah, I'm working on music with my friend.
But the point is, you'd be in media.
Yeah.
You'd be in media.
Oh, absolutely.
So this is your deal, because a lot of the times I ask people, if you weren't selling, let's say you sold for me. I was like, if you weren't selling for me, what would you be doing? And they say, man, honestly, I'd be doing this. If they don't say sales, this isn't why. This is why they're not doing well. Right. This is why they can't get these messages of come on, man, come on, let's go to the next level. And it's like you can't go to the next level because you don't want to go to the next level. Which is why I would say that these people in media are made. Yes, it's a talent, a skill, but it's also a talent, a skill to bring out the inner genius in somebody.
On social media, you show the beginning, you show the end, but you sell the middle.
Yeah, hook, story, close. All your content is made to give people a message that they want to live by, to inspire people to want to follow you more. And then also to try to figure out how to be controversial. Never going to grow your brand if you don't get controversial, which is why she said something cool and you had 270,000 views on your deal because it had 5,000 shares.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It only had 14,000 likes, but it had 5,000 shares. That means 1 in every 3 people that saw her reel shared it. Yeah, but it could be though education. Mm-hmm. Sometimes that was maybe an education reel that went viral.
Yeah.
So controversial education, shit that triggers people. Or it's if I said, hey, let me show you how to handle the objection. I need to think about it when you're on the phone. That one maybe go viral because people are like, dude, the way he handled that was sick. I think it's disrespectful if you're a parent and you're not showing your kids what's possible in life. That's actually child neglect. If you're watching this and you're a parent,
that's triggering people.
Oh, they're gonna be like, oh, screw this guy. You don't understand what I went through. You know what I'm saying? It's like, oh, wah. And then I'll be like, and at the end of this, I know some of you are gonna be like, oh, you don't understand. Shut up. You're a baby. Okay, change your life. Show your kids what's possible. See, that is triggering.
Yeah.
By the way, but winners are like, yeah, show your kids what's possible. And the losers are like, screw that guy. Bottom line is, algorithm goes, people are noticing something here. Let's show this to more people. Next time I want Michaela to go to the gym with us, we're going to rip her legs off.
Sorry, Michaela.
I feel like I need to show you my abs because I don't think you think I'm No, you.
But I just.
Andy's gotta see your pole dancing videos.
On the pole?
I'm on the pole. Pole dancing. She's flying.
Hey, well, see, so we're going to take Michaela to the gym next time we go because she just have to take. I just like poking at Michaela.
Do it.
No, my next video that's going viral, I'm gonna say Andy Elliott told me I need to get hotter.
Yeah, it'll be like 6-pack of your fire.
On the pole.
I ain't got nobody telling me shit. Still got a whole lot of weight on my shoulders. Getting my reps up, hitting that gym. I've been feeling like I'm underrated, but day to day I've been chasing greatness. Nothing left on my bucket list, but I'm grinding like I'm still in the basement. Ain't nobody who working harder. Money tall like Wembanyama. They be talking from the sidelines while I'm on the court. I've been a baller. I'm about to go level up. I cannot settle for nothing. I never been regular. Always knew I could do better. I finally made it this far and I'm not looking back. They didn't see all the time that I put in. Now me and the money are way too attached. Still repping 919. The city is.
I mean, I was weird. I was the guy yelling at people and, telling them to take their shirts off and all kinds of stuff. And then, I phased through so many different weird phases. I remember being one of the first people. I used to be on stage and I just Man, okay, so when I first started coaching, I remember, and we won't go back to this, but it was like I used to get on calls and everyone had a horrible marriage. Everybody was just horrible. So I honestly went through this stage for like a year that like I was just like correcting men that were just like horrible men. And they didn't think they were horrible. They thought they were great because they were making money, and they thought their wife, right, should have like submit to them because they were making money. And it was like this, like, and they're like, they don't. And I also hated the old me because I used to not like pay attention to Jackie because I worked so hard. And in the car business, it was like, if you don't work hard, like you're just gonna get fired. And so like you just work your whole life away. And so like I had a bit of like I hated me, so like I was yelling at the old me. And then so I like went like on this war path, bro, of like destroying men. And I mean like their egos.
Yeah.
Like destroying them. But you're an example to nobody. You know how to make money?
Yeah.
Dude, you're an example to nobody. Nobody wants to be you. You're just a loser. And I was cussing. So I was like, you effing and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And I was just all over. But dude, we blew our brand up just by being absolutely insane. So I'd look for people not paying attention. So like if we're talking and you were like on your phone, I'd be like, dude, what are you looking at? Did you buy a seminar? Did you buy an event ticket to come out here today to change your life? Did you? Yeah? Okay, cool. So you kissed your kid and wife goodbye. You said you were going to come out here, but now you're bullshitting around on your phone. Come here, man. And dude, I would take them and I would be like,
Crazy.
take your shirt off. Right now, let me see. Come on, man. You got it all together, right? Right? You're a badass, right? Go ahead and take your shirt off, man. Come on. Show everybody how badass you are. And dude, I was like triggering the hell out of people. And they would catch that. And then we would post it on social media, go viral, bro. Oh, dude, that's the six-pack of your fired guy. Right? Now, everywhere I walk, people walk up and they're like, dude, I lost 80 pounds, bro. Man, that video changed my life, bro. Thank you.
Calling the other fat guys out.
Dude, just calling fat guys out. All these people lost weight over 2 years because I started calling males out. Now guys walk up and they're like, dude, I treat my wife really good, dude. Thank you, you changed our life. Dude, my sales has gone up. I made more money. And now I'm like on this like Christ kick, right? And you call it a kick, but like God,
Yeah.
my goal is to keep God number one.
Yeah.
I've always said he was number one, but he hasn't been. And so now I'm like, he has to stay number one. I have to keep him number one. So over the last like 5 months, I mean, I quit cussing about 3 months ago. I just don't want a hole in my net anymore.
Yeah.
I'm done. And people are like, dude, I'm getting closer to God. My messages every day are like, I'm getting closer to God. I'm getting closer to God. Not because I'm in a church, but because I'm saying, hey, like, I'm going to give God the credit.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's like just things that are important to me. Like, I voice them with, like, no recollection of, like, what will happen. Like, it doesn't matter. And to me, I think that is when you become dangerous. And so, remember this. Your goal is to fit in. People who fit in don't get remembered.
See all the time that I put in, now me and the money are way too attached. Still repping 919, the city is mine, and I put it all on the map. Coming for what I deserve, I put in the work, now I'm about to